Hi, my name is José Toussaint and I'm a touch for health instructor and a brain gym consultant. During the conference, I would like to share with you some insights about the moral reflex and introduce a simple self-help tool that you can use anytime. It only takes a few minutes and can help support and calm a more balanced state. I look forward to sharing this with you and exploring together how simple techniques can help bring more ease and calm into our everyday life. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the online conference.
好，大家好，我是奉天鹏，青岛发育之君的发育导师。我专注于状态整合和原始反射整合。这次会议我将分享多个前沿的国际先进技术和整合应用，神经情绪平衡与韧心课程，解决了肌应学几十年要解决的紧张问题。这个课程将会助力更多人谋求幸福，期待与大家共同学习，谢谢。
大家好 Hello everyone, my name is Henry Remanlay. I live in Indonesia, and in my daily work, I work as an acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist. So currently, I am the president of IASK, and in my daily work, I'm not only work as a TCM doctor, but I also incorporate kinesiology, particularly touch for health, brain gym, and other kinesiology, including my own development of kinesiology, Remanlay AcuReflex integration. So I'm happy that I can share my knowledge on how to integrate reflexes to acupoint. Okay, so see you soon.
Hi, I am Sabine Rosén from Sweden, and I work daily in the Kinesiology clinic since 35 years. I'm an educator and also the president of IASK. In the session, we will look into specifically into the body and release tensions around the neck, the pelvis, which has to do with the nervous system, but also specific points along the spine, the backshoe points, and on the vertebra 5 here, it's a near connection between the body and the mind, the heart and the mind, and in the lower back, the second vertebra there, releasing tension has to do with the calming effect from the kidney meridian. So I'm looking forward working with the body and the mind together with you. Thank you.